Welcome to GreenBiz Studio. I'm Heather Clancy, the Editorial Director of GreenBiz, and I'm joined by Julie Zaniewski. She is the Sustainability Director for the Dow Sustainable Packaging and Specialty Plastics Division. Julie, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
So what's on the horizon for 2020?
Well, we are living out our sustainability strategy. We're aiming to stop the waste and close the loop through a number of different solutions, looking at keeping plastic out of the environment, as well as bringing circular economy solutions to life, and doing that through a number of different partnerships, really creating impact through those partnerships.
So one of the partnerships that you just announced with Avangard, and they are a recycling organization?
Yes, a few weeks ago we announced a partnership with Avangard Innovative. They are they're recycling experts. What we are doing with them is tapping into their recycling expertise, their sourcing expertise, and they will be providing recycled material to us, which we will then be able to create recycled content packaging and products for our customers.
Is that from U.S. sources?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so they're sourcing experts as well. They've been living and breathing this for a long time. And so they'll be sourcing different recycled materials, particularly low-density polyethylene and linear low-density polyethylene. And those materials are meant for certain applications. So we'll be working with them to create the right applications, the right inclusion levels for that recycled material, and be able to provide new tools to our customers for them to meet their sustainable packaging needs.
So why is it important for you to partner with someone like that? I mean,
Yeah, well, they bring that sourcing and recycling expertise, right? We're not experts in that. We know they are. But what we can do is bring our material science expertise, working with them with their recycled material. We bring the compatibilizer technology and then also the application expertise. And then we can accelerate and scale what's already there.
The system for collecting waste is under a lot of challenges, a lot of pressure right now. So what solutions are you working on to help address that?
We are working on a number of different solutions, a suite of solutions really we think need to come forward. We work with a number of different organizations. The Recycling Partnership is one of them that focuses on collection. We're involved in the MuRF project, the Materials Recovery for the Future, which is focused on collecting flexible packaging at curbside and being able to develop the end markets for those materials. And then we also have the Hefty Energy Bag, which is another alternate collection model for hard-to-recycle plastics for a number of different communities. It's grown over the last 5 years. We just launched in Canada. And we're focused on also not just the collection piece of it, but making sure there are end markets available for those products to ensure that there's that pull-through. Because if you just put the collection in place, it doesn't mean it's necessarily going to go anywhere. So with something like the Hefty Energy Bag, we're focused on developing new markets, new end markets for that material. Some in the mechanical space in particular, where we're focused on composite lumber, some Adirondack chairs, benches, things like that, as well as fuel and other materials that can be made from that type of material.
So where might I see more traction around the MuRF project?
The MuRF project launched in September 2019. It's in the Philadelphia area, Mascaro & Sons, and they have equipped their facility with new sorting technology, so they're able to identify plastic packaging and separate it from their paper in particular and other commodities. As of September, they are have been communicating to the local communities to put their hard-to-recycle plastics in their bins or their flexible packaging in the bins, and they've been sorting that from their other materials since then. So we're going to see more of that expansion over the next few months.
Okay, we'll look forward to hearing about that. Thank you for joining us in the studio.
Thank you for having me.
And thank you for being a viewer.